Hi, my name is Olga Boyki. I'm with eXp Realty.
This is Edyta Pluta-Czarnecki, and I am with Neighborhood Loans.
And today we're going to talk about the FHA changes that will be going in effect May 25th this year.
May 25th, yes.
Yes, they're just around the corner.
That's right. It's been a lot of
Changes.
a lot of changes, a lot of information that something new is coming. So definitely.
So FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration.
That is correct.
What is that really? What is an FHA loan?
FHA loan, it is a financing that is actually guaranteed by the government. When you look on the FHA loan, you have a standard financing, which actually have two types of a mortgage insurance, that's how it's guaranteed. You have an upfront mortgage insurance, which becomes part of the loan, and you also pay mortgage insurance monthly.
I see. So starting May 25th, unless you are a U.S. citizen or you have a permanent residency status, you will no longer be able to get FHA financing.
That is correct.
So what is the perfect candidate for FHA financing?
So let's just say applicants for FHA mortgage usually are applicants that have, let's say, some sort of credit issues, right? They have a past due payments,
late payments.
late payments, bankruptcies, things like that.
So not a perfect score.
Not a perfect score, yes.
Which happens.
It happens, of course. It's a life. Things happen. We are not judging anybody. We are here, obviously, to help. We have options, right? So that's for somebody that has a low FICO score, for whatever the reason is. On average, let's say we can go down to about 580.
Okay.
Right? 580.
So that's the minimum credit score to qualify for FHA.
That is correct. I mean, not technically FHA. That's what we can do, right? There are some, because technically FHA does not have a requirement, right? Remember, FHA guidelines, those are just the guidelines, but actually lender comes in and provides you the financing based on the guidelines, but then also have so-called overlays, right?
I see.
Yeah. So
it depends lender by lender?
Exactly.
Okay. So that's good to know.
Yes,
Not
but 580 is pretty low, and that most of the lenders feel comfortable that is the FICO score that you can actually still lend, depending obviously what are the credit events that actually put you in the situation that you score.
So that matters as well. So it matters why you maybe had late payments.
Exactly.
Maybe why you missed a payment. And you can have explanation for those?
Absolutely.
Interesting. Yes. I didn't know. I thought a score is a score. There is no explanation. But that's interesting information. So even though somebody is on a lower credit score, they should still maybe give you a call and find out if they can explain.
Oh, of course.
How they got a little bit under 600.
Right.
And there may be a way you can help them.
Of course. So FHA starts with a low FICO score. It also works with the higher debt to income ratio, which is pretty much the comparison between how much money you are spending and how much you're making, right?
So the limit is higher.
It's a little bit higher, yes.
Okay.
FHA is a lot more flexible, let's put it this way. And of course, you can purchase a property with as little as 3.5% down payment.
I see. So those changes that will be going in effect May 25th, they can kind of impact some people that, don't have permanent residency or don't have citizenship, that have been thinking about buying a house.
Yes.
So there is some kind of urgency for those who may be in the position where they're considering buying a home, that things may change just within a month, a little bit of a month.
Of course, yes. If anybody is looking to purchase property and potentially is thinking about it and is not sure if they can qualify for many reasons, is because, let's say, their status, their legal status, or the credits or income, or maybe all three, or other situations, right, that they are not sure if they can qualify, then we urge everybody to actually call and evaluate exactly what's going on. Because yes, FHA, that's pretty much, it's going to be limited to permanent residents and citizens, other individuals that they are maybe on the short-term, maybe visas or DACA applicants, etc. They no longer will qualify. But of course, we have to also remember that the financial institutions still want to help applicants if they do qualify to purchase property. So there are always other programs that they become available. Yes.
So either way, it's good to call you.
It
doesn't cost any money to ask the information. It's completely free. And at least getting the advice and maybe getting a plan even after the May
Of course.
25th.
It is extremely important to, when you're considering to purchase property, just to see where you stand. Just talk to somebody you trust, talk to your lender, figure out exactly where you stand financially, and just to see if you can qualify for something right now. Should you apply right now? Or maybe just work with somebody like myself and have a plan for the next 3 months, 6 months, or even a year that I will put you in a situation that obviously you're going to
It's
have
best
some
for you.
options. Absolutely.
Best for you and your family.
Yeah. I mean, FICO score means absolutely nothing, to be honest with you.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, when I pulled someone's credit, and we pretty much discuss all the accounts. We discuss everything, what happened, what's going on right now, what is your plan. Yeah, you can easily work with somebody that has a low FICO score or no credit score within 30 days that actually they can be 50 points higher.
Yeah, we have to have another video about that, how to create a credit score, how to
Of
fix a
course.
credit score, how to improve credit.
It's possible. It's
'Cause
doable.
There is ways,
Yes.
and not a lot of people know about it.
Yeah. FHA is absolutely an amazing program, but there are definitely other options. And in my opinion, when somebody comes to the table to talk about like, oh, I want to buy a house, you have a open space. You qualify at that point to pretty much anything. And then you start talking, you're pretty much shaving down to the best program.
For you, specifically for
Exactly.
your family,
Exactly.
for that specific buyer.
Mhm.
Great news. Thank you so much.
Right? Absolutely. Always.
Let's do that once again.
Oh, Jesus, that's the worst. Once again. Once again, my name is Olga Boyki. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty.
And I'm Edyta Pluta-Czarnecki with Neighborhood Loans, your local lender.
And if you like what you heard, give us a like and subscribe to my channel.